Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about some current favorites, and looking at them I am very happy that they are a mix of new products that I just purchased and I am in love, but most of them are older favorites or older products that I just love and enjoy so much right now. So let's start a bit in order of application with a concealer. I put this one in the project pan and I cannot express how happy I am each morning when it is concealer time and I'm using this one. I can correct any pimple or redness if I want. I can put it on the under eye, just one dot in here and one dot in here, and it looks so nice. It blends so easily and it's so beautiful. And I'm putting a powder on top that I absolutely love. I cannot recommend you enough to just create a basket or something with your favorite products from your collection and just use that every day. Use that every day for a week at least. And you will just enjoy those products, because sometimes we are trying to use up the products that are not our favorite. For sure it is nice to not waste product, but from time to time it is absolutely lovely to use your favorites. And a newer product in my collection, or at least a new shade, this Huda Beauty Easy Bake, it is the shade Cherry Blossom Cake. Again, this combo, I have it on my under eyes today. My skin, I even have the other favorite from Huda Beauty, the foundation, the Easy Blur. My skin today looks flawless. I have some of these products that I'm gonna mention on my skin today, and this combo is creating the most stunning blurred but covered, because this one is full coverage but covered under eyes, and it looks so beautiful. I've been loving and using the Huda Beauty powder for years, but just now I decided to purchase the pink powder and I'm so happy. This is just brightening the under eyes in the most elegant way. It's not just stark white or something. It doesn't look emphasized, or it's just perfection really. So I need to convince myself to use the other powder from Huda, because I have that one in a fuller size and this one in a mini, but I've been reaching for this one non-stop. And to finish up with the base, this one, I don't know if it is magic in here. It's just a setting spray and it works nice, but it's just a setting spray. But somehow I feel so luxurious while using it. This is decently expensive, so that's one point, but I absolutely love this packaging. And previously I was in love, and I am still in love, with the MAC one, the Fix Plus Stay Over. That one is just a great setting spray, but in this moment I like this one more. The packaging is way more beautiful, and I don't know, when I'm applying, this is a whole experience in a bottle, which is so exaggerated to say, but I love it, and it's just melting everything. After all of these powders, the bronzer, the blush and everything, this is just melting everything together, and it makes everything more natural, and I can clearly see a difference, and I absolutely love it. And at the same time my makeup wears longer and looks better. So overall, can't recommend this product enough. Let's talk about cheeks, and the biggest one for me, I don't know if it is because I talked about it in the trends and just use it a bit more because of that, but bronzer. I'm in love with bronzer right now. Maybe it is because I'm self-tanning a bit as well, and all my foundations are just a bit too light, but because I'm using bronzer, and I'm gonna explain how I'm using it, it's just, I don't know, today I feel like I'm matching pretty well, and my Huda foundation is for sure too light at this particular moment. But yeah, I've been loving the Rare Beauty. This is a favorite, it's been a favorite for years. This is my second one, if you can believe that. So I absolutely love it. I've been using this one as a base for the bronzer, just to make the foundation look a better shade for me, I'm blending this one with a sponge and then applying on top of it a matte bronzer, a powder bronzer. The one that I discovered recently is this one, and it's so beautiful. It is the L'Oreal Infaillible 24-hour Fresh Wear Matte Bronzer. And I was a bit afraid because this is a darker shade. It is the shade 250. It was the only shade available, so that is that. But this is the perfect shade for me. And because this product is just amazing, it works perfectly. And it is so buildable and blendable. You can apply a lot and just blend it out, and it will look great. So I have this combo today. And another thing, I found a new replacement for my refer brush, because you know maybe that my refer brush that I absolutely love was shading a lot, and that is just, refer is a very expensive brand, so I was a bit mad, but overall I love refer brushes so much. But that one brush in particular was just shading like crazy. So I was on a mission to find another brush for bronzer that I absolutely love. And after buying like 3 brushes, I found one that is perfect. This is the Zoeva 127 Blush and Contour. This is perfect because it is small enough that you will not just put product everywhere, but it is flimsy enough that I can blend with it as well. It's perfect. I love it. Can't recommend it enough. And let's do a transition between bronzer and blush with this one. I've been loving it. It's so strange because at the beginning when I purchased it, I was like, sure, Makeup Forever is a nice brand. This blush is cute. I don't know what happened. Maybe again it is because I love bronzer. So this is a great bronzer blush in one. This is the shade Rebel Blossom. And I think this blush in particular is very special because it's a bit like a duochrome blush. It's a bit more browny, but it has some pink, but it is like a reflect. It's stunning, it's amazing, I love it. I'm not wearing it today. I have another product that I'm gonna mention in a second. This is so nice, and I really like this packaging, even though it is pretty boring. It's so small and compact, I can't recommend it enough. And then this one, I talked about it a million times. It is the product that I'm wearing on my cheeks today, but it is in the project pan and I'm so happy. Again, similar to the Natasha Denona concealer, this is a favorite and I put it in the project pan and I'm so happy. This is a mini, it is Shellie from Benefit. Absolutely stunning color. It has shimmer, but it's not too shimmery, and at the same time it's pigmented but not too pigmented. 11 out of 10. And as well, another product that I put in my project pan that is a favorite is this one that it will go bad pretty soon, so I want to use it as much as possible right now. It is the Essence Baby Got Glow Liquid Highlighter. This unfortunately has only 6 months of shelf life, which is a shame, but I think I'm gonna repurchase it after that because it's so great. And I'm having it on my cheeks today on top of the Benefit blush. It's so beautiful and nice and shimmery, but it's so easy to apply. I only blend it with my finger. It's just the best. I don't love the blush formula from this packaging, only the highlighter, and this shade is Rose and Shine. It is like a highlighter blush hybrid, so I'm putting it a bit lower on the blush as well and on the highlighting part of the cheek. Can't recommend this one enough. For lips, I was thinking pretty hard what to recommend and what to mention, but in reality I'm using a lot of glosses and lipsticks. I'm just swapping them around, so I don't have one clear product to recommend in the lipstick category, but I have one gloss that I'm using every day, and I did mention this in previous videos as favorite, and it is this one. This is the L'Oreal. I have the shade I Soar 402. This is a gloss bomb in one, and it is a bit plumping. It's the most stunning product. I need to test more from L'Oreal because I think they are doing so nice products, even though they are a bit more pricey than Essence or stuff like that. I think it is worth it because the bronzer is absolutely lovely, and this one. So overall, I need to test more from L'Oreal. This is just so, it's a great combination between a gloss and a balm, because it is hydrating but it is a bit plumping. So I'm starting my makeup with this one and leave it on my lips throughout the makeup process. So I'm applying everything, foundation, bronzer, eyeshadow, everything, and then I'm removing this one and putting another gloss or a lipstick or something on my lips, and it looks great and it's making my lips look very plush and plumped. And of course, if you want to use this one, just this one on your lips and be done, or a lip liner in this one. It looks great and juicy and yummy. I love it. It's great. It's a really, really good product. And I want to end with eyeshadows. As you can see, even today I do have something a bit more on the eyes. I even have something green, and I do have lashes on, but I tasted some new lashes right now. They are still from Monova, my favorite lash brand, but these are the baby styles, so it is the shortest lashes that they have. And let me tell you, they are shorter than my lashes, so they look nice because they add still some volume to the outer corner in here, so I do like them. They are very natural, so if you have very, very little lid space, they are great for you, but for me they are too small. I've been filming a bit more shorts, and because of that I've been creating some looks, and I purchased the Natasha Denona Mini Eye Sculpt palette. I don't want to mention this as favorites because I didn't use it that many times so far. I need to use it more. I already know and love the Natasha Denona's formula, so I already reviewed it. It is great, so it is a nice palette, but I didn't use it that many times to mention it as a favorite. Today I used these two palettes. This is the Gun on the Moon from GlossGods, and that is a thing that is my favorite right now. I've been falling back in love slowly but surely with eyeshadows again. I'm pretty sure that I will not create again, maybe in the future, not right now. I'm not gonna create rainbow looks, but looks like these that are mostly neutral but with a pop of something something. I really love it. It looks great, and yeah, I've been liking eyeshadow more and more, which is very fun, and I'm very happy. Overall, I've been loving these products. They are so nice, so great quality, and some of them, like I said, I'm very happy that are old favorites that I just used more and more. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.